Now I will record an operation video for you. First, turn on the main power switch. Second, lift the throttle slightly. Third, hold the engine. Don't move the voltage regulator. Fourth, turn on the key to check if it's powered on. Fifth, start the engine. The voltage regulator should be held up. After the engine starts and stabilizes, the voltage regulator returns to its original position. Pushing the left lever to the left raises the boom. Pushing right is lowering the boom. Pushing the right lever to the right is to drop the bucket. Pushing left is to retract the bucket. Push both levers forward to move forward. Pull backward to move backward. These three are the horn switch, the oil fan switch. If you want to rotate 360 degrees in place, both operating rods, one in front and one behind.